bumpy parking lot. Sorry, I had to fix a new toy that was acting up. The dash camera is a GoPro Hero 7. I gave in, I guess. I hope I'm not sorry. Just had to fiddle with it because it kept not recording and turning itself, not even turning itself off, just locking up. Have to disconnect everything, pull it out of the case, pull the battery, reset it. Did it 3 times, and finally I pulled off. I shouldn't have been thinking with it. And finally I pulled off in that parking lot and tried to figure it out. It seemed to be the cord was causing a problem. I have this extension cord because the cord they gave you is real tiny. It's not good for like being on the road or something, you know. Won't even reach the cigarette lighter. But I'm not here to talk about cameras and gear. It's boring and boorish, which I'm known for. No, let's see. Last week, pretty eventful. It started with us going on a trip down to Carthage, Missouri, and Route 66. It was a lot of fun. And then on Tuesday, I caught a tornado finally. I know, some really anal people will argue it wasn't a tornado. It was just a funnel cloud or a wall cloud, but it was a tornado before it got to me. It was a tornado after. And the training that I took said that if it's at least halfway to the ground, which was more than halfway to the ground, you call it a tornado. And I'm satisfied with that. And then I've been continuing with my sickness. I missed a day at work because I was so sick. I actually screwed up something at work because I was so out of it. And it was not even worth coming in on that day, so I finally relented. I know, you know, being shorthanded and everything, it sucks, but I relented and laid in bed for almost that whole afternoon, the whole next day, and then went to the doctor on Friday, the day I called in, and gave me some powerful antibiotics, and in case it's caused by allergies, some steroids. I'm feeling a lot better, so hopefully something is working, because I have literally been sick since March. And that's too long to be sick and run down and tired and everything else. So, anyway, we're giving the old Hero 7 a test. It's been acting up on me already. Like I say, I'm not fond of Heroes. Too finicky sometimes, but the video quality looks alright on their HVAC mode, which is H265, but it takes a lot of stuff that I don't really have to really edit that, so hopefully the video continues to look good on just regular. But I plan on using it mostly as a dash camera anyway, so we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, I'm going to go get some GoPro stopped, and I thought I would test out the capabilities of this thing. It's supposed to be hyper smooth, but I'm not sure I'm in the right mood for mode for that. But we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, just play around with it, It's amazing capability of small cameras, even if they are a little troublesome sometimes. Liberty, early border town, prominent trading and outfitting center. Let's see if Mexican War and William Jewell College. I'm liking the voice thing. I don't have push buttons. You know, you can voice command. A lot of devices have it. And I'm heading for my coffee. I don't know how good the mics pick up. Used to be pretty sucky sound right off the GoPro, especially if you're trying to talk with wind and everything else. So we'll see how this turns out. They may have improved it. I got a mic jack coming from Amazon. Helps me use other mics. But anyway, there's my coffee place. Coffee. Well, part of my testing process here, my handy dandy mic, and gonna walk up to the house, greet the doggies, and see if my mic is actually working. There's the house. I should be hearing the doggies, although if they've been bad, they run into the back. That's okay, I'll go find them. They should be pretty excited. Might not even know I'm here. Start going crazy. There's a doggy. There's another doggy. Hey Jimmy, where you going? Jimmy always runs to the back. He always assumes he's been bad. He's been a little bad, but this is normal. And there's Stella. Hi Stella. What do you guys say, Stella? You gonna bark? Dog cop, dog cop. What you gonna do when she barks at you? And there's the kitter catters. Hi Dusters. What you doing, Mr. Dust? Buddha. Can I pet your Buddha? No, there's Stella, the dog cop. Dog cop, dog cop. Now let's go see what Jimmy is hiding from. Oop, door's locked. No, I can't do it with one hand. So, there's Jimmy. Hey Jimmy, come on in. Hey Jimothy. Jimmy the V. I didn't really pet Stella, did I? Come here, Stella. Come here. You running? You running? There's Stella. Woof, 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 woof. There's Jimmy. Woof, 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 woof. And I'm home and I'm gonna take a nap. I've played around too much and cut into my sleep time, which is actually my nighttime. Anyway, time to go take a nap. Go. Getting coffee. I haven't been here in a while. Go in. Nope, I forgot my tea. I'm gonna get that. On second thought, I'll just leave the tea in the car.
Hi. Hi.
You look funny, you're just all nose.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. My name is Baldy.
Alright, we're here in Parkville. Woo-hoo. We're gonna go look at the high water. You can see the flood way down there at the end of the street there. Yeah, it's flooding for the second time this year. The water looks higher than it was last time. When we come out here, was it April?
What?
It was April. Oh, English Landing
Sunny day.
is underwater. It never opened from the last time. It's pretty sad. Pretty amazing. We're just getting a little glimpse of history. Yeah, the last time we were here, you could park on the other side of the pavilion. They pulled the line back. Yeah, pretty amazing. Ooh, stinky too. Smells like fish. I believe the sign, you could see the bottom of the sign last time. Now it's all halfway up. Tearing down something over here. That's what all the noise is about.
Nice view we got here. There's parking lot.
Wow.
Nice view we got here. There's parking lots here. Now if this the whole thing was a swimming pool, I'd go diving.
I heard you say that. You're gonna go swim in that poisonous water.
No, if
With
it,
all the poop and stuff that's in it, and all the poison from the fields.
if it was clean
Your
water,
skin would rot off and you turn into a skeleton. That wouldn't feel very good.
If that was clean swimming pool water, I'd just go diving.
And you might drown too. We're making our way to the back lot so we can go around to the other side.
Took the police line down.
Yeah, well, maybe it fell down. We'll just stay close on the sidewalk. I didn't notice that when I was walking.
Whoa.
Hey Zach, there's one of those cones over there. Next time you see a cone like that, stand up next to it. You know how high the water is right there. It doesn't have too far to go to be up in the basement of this building right here. It's like coming to a lake, but it's the Missouri River. Doggies, your dog park is out there, underwater.
Dog park?
What do you think of that, dogs? Oh, Stella loves the grass. Since we haven't seen or heard any trains, usually there'd be one that'd show up by now. I'm beginning to think the tracks are closed. Yep, there's the train tracks. I suspect it's either underwater somewhere or being undermined by the river, by the floods. Crazy.
Fishies.
Crazy, I tell you, crazy.
And there's some fishes.
I stand corrected, I think. I hear a train. Maybe it's across the river. Oh. Yep, sure enough, here comes the train. Woo, woo. I can get it up here if I can see it.
I can see it.
Woo, woo. Wave, wave. Well, it's moving a little slow, but it's moving. So it must be open for now. If it keeps on raining, this will come up, but hopefully the rain has stopped. We don't need another flood in 93, that was bad. One last glance. And like I say, flood of 93, it was up to these lower buildings. I think it made it up almost to the block. I think it was up to the roof of that power plant building, where this says College Power Plant. So, hope it doesn't get that bad again. Yeah, it's a lot higher.